Hi, welcome to Rago. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install this 10x2.5 solid tire on your electric scooter. As you can see here, the size is 10 by 2.5 and this tire fits Ninebot Max G30, G30D, G30P, G30E, G30LP electric scooter, or if your electric scooter is using a tire with this size, you can see 60 70 6.5. If your scooter is using this tire, it will also fit your electric scooter. So the best thing about this tire is it is soft. You can see it is soft, so you don't need to boil, you don't need the soapy water. You just need to make sure you have the right tool. In my case, I have those tire spoon. They are 12-inch. Make sure they are long so they will give you a leverage to make your job easier. And also we'll be using this screwdriver to pull the tire into the rim. And this is my electric scooter rim. It's a G30 front wheel rim. So the process is pretty simple. You just place your rim on top of the tire like that here, and then you use you use your foot on top of the rim here. One, make sure the rim is inside the tire like that. Good. And then when you have the rim in this position, you can see it's half in, half out. Now you can use your two tire spoon, one on your right, this position, and the other one like that, like a V, and then you pull it back. And when you're pulling it, you just push your foot. You can see it's getting in. Now as your spoon is long enough, now you can just pull it up. Good, so easy. Now the job is almost done. You can see it is now well fit inside the rim. You just use a screwdriver. The side that is inside the rim, you put your screwdriver inside, like that. You pull the tire up, and then this side is getting inside the rim. Same thing here. Good. Same thing this side. Good. This side too. This side too. Good. Yeah. Good. Now you can see the tire is well fit inside the rim. So You don't have to worry about flats anymore. This is how you can install your 10x 2.5 solid tire on your electric scooter. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and see you at the next video. Thank you and be blessed.